over there, it changes color when it touches the warm water. So
Here, let's turn the box around.
it's like a car wash. It looks like a water park almost, guys.
Oh, so big.
Yes, and this is what Liam was reading for you guys. So come on, Liam, you can read it again. Come this way. This way, right here. And to show Daddy what it says. It says, Save Hot Wheels City.
Save Hot Wheels City.
Yes, and what is this?
It's a launcher. There's a conveyor belt.
Ooh, check out the details on
Out
that.
the shopping gator.
Ooh,
It's about to eat them.
I know, and see, there's a car. Color
Nice.
shifter, car changes
Connect to other
color.
sets too. We can connect it to all your other stuff.
So,
Yes.
and there will be a big, ginormous Hot Wheels City.
It sure is. Are you excited, Liam?
Yeah.
You, Kaylee?
Baby.
We're ready to open this. We've been waiting so long. Cannot wait.
All right, how we're opening it?
Um,
Do we want to open it and it's already all assembled and ready to go?
Yeah.
That makes it a lot easier. All right,
Yes.
you got to use all your magic to make this happen. Ready? Liam, set, and go.
Okay, so this is a cool part. We got all the pieces out. Check this out, guys. There's so many of them, so it's gonna take us a little while. You bear with us, because we're gonna have some fun when this is done. And check this out. Best part of it all. What is that?
alligator.
An alligator!
But the short
So
way.
this is our Gator car wash. We've been waiting to open for so long. And just
Mommy,
we'll be back soon
and
with
my-
our ultimate Gator car wash.
in my chopped car.
That's right. Clean
And
your car
we
and
don't-
escape the Gator. Whoosh.
We don't only have one. We don't only one Hot Wheel track. We have more.
We do have more, but that is next. See you guys soon. Let's open this up. Whoop, whoop.
So,
Hello.
All right,
Look
we
what we
got
got,
it.
guys.
so
Check this out. This slide is awesome. Tell them.
this slide is super awesome.
Yes.
And
So,
we got cold water and
Yeah.
warm water.
yeah, so it says the cold water, not too icy cold, just around, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And then the warm water, not too warm. But if you notice, this little car right here is orange. It came with this car, and it's gonna turn a color when it touches the water in certain temperatures. So it says after we put everything nice and together, it says to make sure this valve up here is closed. That means all the way clockwise. And this here is open. So we're gonna put the warm water up here, up to this level. Here we
And
go.
what?
I might make a mess, and that is okay. Let me know when we're getting close. We might have to add a little bit more, or it might be just right. Wow, that's pretty close. Should we add a little bit more?
Yes.
I'll go get some more. Let's add the icy water here. This is gonna be messy.
Yeah, cold.
So it's gotta go up to this level. Stop me if you see it. Get there. Again, this is gonna be a water toy. So we're gonna get messy. All right, go on the other side and let me know if I'm getting there.
I think you gotta stop.
Now?
Yes.
I don't see you there.
Oh.
Not yet. Oh, we're gonna need a lot more water than we thought. That means this is gonna be messy.
Here
Here we go. So don't start it yet. So we gotta make sure that we got enough water.
We don't have enough water. Are you sure, kids? Kids, comment down below if it's.
No, it needs more.
Yeah, it needs a bit more.
Just a little bit more.
Ah, just.
But this is gonna be super fun, guys, and it was not that bad to put together. We just need mommy and daddy to help us,
Daddy.
and we need to help them follow the steps. The steps are important.
Yes. So
Here's our little
warm.
water.
No, it stopped.
Good. Oh,
It's good.
perfect. All right, so we close that,
And a bit.
and then add a little bit more of this one.
It's almost there. It's almost.
I didn't go past it, did I?
Ooh, it's so good.
Wait, I can't see. I can't see what.
So cold. think you gotta stop. I think you passed it.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, yeah.
It's right here. Oh wait, it's right there.
Ah!
I think we're good. Right? All right, let's see. Let's see. From the line. Yeah, I think we're good, Kaylee. Good job. All right, so
Wait, what is this? What does this do?
I don't know. We're about to find out though.
Yeah.
All right, each one of y'all get a card. We actually had an extra card from another toy, so which happens to be the same type of card. So let's figure this out. Here we go. Should we close this? Okay.
Oh,
All right, what do we do? Kaylee knows. Kaylee knows. All right, Liam, you ready?
yeah.
All right, Kaylee, you ready?
Yeah.
You gotta turn
Let's
this.
go.
Let's do
We
it.
kept forgetting stuff.
Which one?
We gotta turn this.
Oh, we gotta turn it back on? I don't know. Oh my. Oh, it's gonna get
It's
filled
white.
up. Where's the other card?
It's white.
Where'd the other one go?
I think that's enough.
It turned white. It was orange.
Wow.
Look at the water running, guys. That's amazing. Oh, that's to collect
That's
that
the
water.
extra water, see? Down the
Very
bottom.
nice. And this comes
Down
off
the
very
Ooh,
easily.
white.
And it's
All right.
not raining, okay?
And here we go. And where's the other car? We had 2 cars.
Oh, it's
Ah!
Oh, there he goes. He's about to get over there. Liam showing us car number 2.
White! White! Another car changed white! Wait.
gotta push down.
Keep pushing. Car wash.
Wait.
Look, this one turned white already, guys.
Wait, what?
trying to get loose.
Oh, he's coming!
Oh, he got
Guys, the way
Watch out, Liam's car is coming.
Wait,
Oh.
no, the way to, this is the way to really save his car. Turning back. Wait,
Oh, well. Come
Wait,
on,
stop?
Mike.
it's stuck.
Uh-oh.
No. Oh, but stuck is better than getting eaten by the alligator. This
Wait.
is so cool.
Still
Whoa,
good.
almost there. Almost. Got it. I'm gonna save you.
Almost.
Come on, one more time. Oh, got it.
Now you got
Almost there.
places.
Oh no, he wants to go back in. wait. Oh,
Oh,
whoa, almost.
he made it.
He got free. Oh, what happens here? No way. No way. No. What? No way. Save him, Liam. Guys, this is awesome. Look at that.
This is how you
What if he
pause.
goes straight to here? Wow.
He made it! And then you can also put the other cards in.
That's right. If you have more cool Hot Wheel cars.
Like this one.
That's right. Where the other ones? We have some cool ones in. Let's see if it works with all of them.
Woo.
Wow.
Look, it's polishing. It's polishing.
Yeah.
Whoa! It's like a
Oh, that
real-
next one's not gonna get through. Wow.
And let's see this one can change.
Yes.
Oh, it didn't change.
No, that one doesn't change colors. That one. Oh, he's ready. What?
No,
We got-
he didn't.
No, this is how you save him.
Oh.
That's the way. This is the real way to save him.
Yes, you guys are smart.
Oh!
All right, and wait, let's take a little break and we can get this water. Don't press no buttons. Let's see, Mommy can do this without making a mess. Can she?
No.
No, I'm not gonna
I
make
think it's supposed to come from the other way.
Oh, is it? I'm definitely gonna make a mess.
Yeah, you're definitely.
Was that cool?
Yeah. I'm polishing the car.
Yeah, this side is way better. Wait, don't move it. So we can test. Wait, wait. Now you can go.
My water is super cold.
It is?
Oh!
Ow!
Oh!
Save me.
Oh, he got lucky too.
This was a nice Christmas present, right guys?
Yeah, right.
Super duper cool.
Oh! two cars. Ah!
So let us know if you like this, if you got this one, and what's your favorite trick.
Look.
We
look.
have a lot of other
Donuts.
Hot Wheel cars. We love Hot
Ah!
Wheels. So let us know if there's another toy that is way cooler than this one. I find that hard to believe.
Yeah.
Guys, this is our
Alex.
Hot Wheels Ultimate Gator Car Wash.
Yeah.
Make sure which one is your most favorite.
I think this is my favorite. This one's so cool.
I don't know if we can beat this one.
I don't know. We got a few more to open. All right, y'all say goodbye.
Bye. Thanks for
If you
watching.
want more Hot Wheels epic cool tricks, say bye. Comment down below. Bye.
Comment,
Bye.
subscribe,
Daddy.
and like the video
Daddy,
for more.
it
Thanks,
didn't
guys.
touch my gator.
Bye.
It's almost orange.
Almost orange.
Bye, guys.
Bye,
We're back with
guys.
more.